What's up guys, welcome back. We're going to be solving another question in today's video, and we have 3 over m times 3 over m is equal to m over 3, and we have to solve this equation for m. So basically we have the multiplication of these two in here, meaning we have 3 times 3 over m times m, and on the right side we have m over 3, and if we want to simplify it, we basically have the multiplication of these, which is 3 times 3 times 3 is equal to multiplication of these together, which is m times m times m. So basically we have 3 to the 3 is equal to m to the 3, and we're just going to bring this one on the right side of the equation, which we're going to get m cubed minus 3 cubed is equal to 0, and this is a familiar expression for us. We have difference of 2 cubes, and from our formula we know this will be equal to a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. And in here, if we have a positive sign, everything's the same. We get positive sign in here, negative sign in here, but that's not the case in here. That was just for the sake of reviewing the formula. So we're going to use this one in here. So we will get m minus 3 times m squared plus 3m plus 9 is equal to 0. Now we have our a times b is equal to 0, meaning a can be 0 and b can be 0 too. So this will be our a and this will be our b. So let's go with a is equal to 0 first. So m minus 3 is equal to 0, and we're going to get m is equal to 3 as one answer. And also we have b is equal to 0, which is m squared plus 3m plus 9 is equal to 0. So if we want to solve this equation, we have a quadratic equation where our a is 1, our b is 3, and our c is 9. So for finding the m, we're going to use our quadratic formula, which is minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c over 2a. So our m will be minus 3 plus or minus the square root of b squared 9 minus 4 times a is 1 and our c is 9. Looks like we have a negative discriminant, meaning we're going to deal with complex answers here. So here our m would be basically minus 3 plus or minus the square root of 9 minus 4 times 9, which is 36 divided by 2. So our m will be minus 3 plus or minus 9 minus 36 is minus 27. And we know 27 is 9 times 3, so we can simplify this, and instead of minus 1 we're going to use our I squared since we have complex answers here. So m is equal to minus 3 plus or minus 9 times 3 times our I squared divided by 2, and we can see that these two can get out of this square root, so our m will be minus 3 plus or minus the square root of 9i squared will be 3i, and we're gonna end up with a square root of 3 over 2, and we will get two more answers in here. One of them will be minus 3 plus 3i square root of 3 over 2, and the other one would be, so that would be their second answer. The first answer was what we found in here. So that's our first answer. This will be the second, and we have our m3, which is minus 3 minus 3i square root of 3 over 2, and that would be the third answer for this question. So yeah, I hope you guys find this one helpful. Let me know if you have any questions, and let me know how many of these answers you guys found. It's actually pretty easy to guess the first answer that we found by just looking at this equation, but the complex answers in this equation is not that easy to guess, and we have to go through that process to find the complex answers. So yeah, you guys take care. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.